Hi, how are you? Welcome back to the Amma Katha Cheppu channel. Today's story begins in a beautiful forest. A pair of pigeons built their nest on a large tree and lived happily. Every morning, the pigeons would fly away in search of food and return to their nest by evening. One day, just like always, the pigeons went out in the morning, collected some grains, and returned to the nest by noon. At that time, parents living at the base of the same tree came up to the pigeons' nest and said,
"Because of the rain today, we couldn't collect any food. Our queen ant sent us to ask if you could kindly share just one grain with us. That would be enough to satisfy all of us. If you help us this one time, we promise to help you in any way you need in the future. Our queen ant wanted us to convey this to you."
Hearing the ant's request, the pigeons laughed mockingly and said,
"You help us? You are so light, even the wind could blow you away. We'll never need help from creatures like you. Why should we give you any of our food? We don't have to give you anything. Now go away."
And they sent the ants away. The ants returned to their nest disappointed and explained everything to their queen. The queen ant became very angry and said,
"We have been living side by side for so many years, and when we came to you for help in a time of need, you turned us away without an ounce of compassion. Fine if you didn't help, but to insult us like that, the farther we stay from such beings, the better."
Saying this, the ants vacated their nest near the pigeon's tree and moved to a different tree. A few days later, a snake entered the empty ant nest. Staying hidden there, the snake noticed the pigeons' daily routine of leaving and returning in search of food. One day, after the pigeons had flown away, the snake climbed the tree to eat the eggs in the pigeon's nest. But when it reached the nest, it found baby pigeons instead. The snake was overjoyed and thought,
"I came for eggs, but I get tender meat instead."
as it was about to eat the baby pigeons, a crow sitting on a higher branch of the tree called out.
"Stop! Killing innocent babies when their parents aren't around is a sin."
Angered, the snake
"Who are you to preach to me? If you say another word, I'll eat you too. Now get lost."
The snake hissed. The crow, frightened, quickly flew away. Evening came, and the pigeons returned to find their nest empty. Panicking, they searched for their babies. The crow, who had witnessed everything, came back and told them what had happened. Devastated, the pigeons mourned the loss of their babies. They then realized that their arrogance and lack of compassion had cost them dearly. They had driven away the ants, who had faithfully guarded the base of the tree for years and protected them from snakes, and because of that, their young ones had died. Immediately, the pigeons flew to the new nest of the ants and said to the queen ant,
"When you came to us for help, we arrogantly refused and spoke harshly. We were punished for our mistake. We now understand that in this world, everyone must help one another in order to live happily. Please forgive us."
The ants forgave them, and the pigeons happily rebuilt their nest in the same tree where the ants had made their new home. They lived together peacefully and joyfully, and that brings us to the end of this story. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please like the story and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to Amma Katha Cheppu channel and watch all our previously uploaded stories. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I'll return soon with another beautiful story in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.